Thank you, Rashmi.
Girl number 5 is Saloni Jain. Oh, you look beautiful.
Saloni Jain, 22, is from Mumbai and has an interesting job as a Bollywood correspondent. Yeah. Writing, traveling, and watching movies are a few of the things that make her day. And one can find the qualities of a fashionista in her. Wow, Saloni.
Last but not the least, Rachna Sharma. Heidi.
Rachna Sharma is a 36-year-old interior designer and architect from Rajkot and the mother of 2 beautiful kids. A strong feminist, she stands up for what she believes in and is true to her values of humanity and honesty. A woman of strong character and conviction, she strongly believes in the power of creativity.
Amazing.
Thank you, Rachna. Come on, Sonam, hit the ramp with the girls. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Match. Before you go away, are you going to give us a Shutterbug opportunity here as well? Most famous lip color shades are cleverly placed against each other for the first time by L'Oreal Paris. Speaking for the first time, I'm just going to repeat this again. Our representative of the glamorous gloss theme is also the first timer at Cannes red carpet this year. It is none other than, ladies and gentlemen, with bated breath, I'd like to call upon one fantastic name which many consider as the ultimate fashion icon of Bollywood. Katrina. Why don't we have you center stage? Let them take as many pictures of you. Welcome back. Welcome back, Katrina. अगर आपकी आज्ञा हो तो हम आगे बढ़ें. Katrina, I know this is a predicament for me, but I said this to Sonam as well. But what do I do? You also look gorgeous. Will you believe me if I said you look gorgeous?
Always. I'll believe anything you say.
Okay, we'll make sure.
I think my mic is off. Now it's on. Every woman wants to hear she looks gorgeous.
Yeah.
So I just think you're trying to be popular.
No. That's Katrina Kaif. Wait for you. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Katrina Kaif. So Katrina, first time at Cannes. Tell me something about that. How do you feel?
Well, I'm very excited. I'm very, very happy to be representing, part of the team representing L'Oreal and India at the Cannes Film Festival. I'll be attending the opening ceremony, so that's also very exciting for me.
Congratulations.
I'm also really looking forward to meeting some of L'Oreal's other global brand ambassadors. Some of them are people who I've really admired and looked up to for quite some time. So I think it's going to be fun. I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to meeting new people and to, of course, share some of the new beauty trends that L'Oreal has for this year.
So we believe you've been to at least 12 countries in this world and you stayed there. Have you been to France? Cannes
I've
before?
been to France many times. I've not been actually to Cannes, so this will be my first time, which I'm very much looking forward to it.
It's truly your first time.
Truly my first time.
Okay. मुद्दे पे आते हैं. ये Team Gloss. What is Team Gloss? You want to talk about?
So Team Gloss is the team which I am representing, and I'm very happy that I was given Team Gloss, because I think everyone knows I'm quite a fan of gloss. I think gloss is timeless. It always looks beautiful, it looks sensual, it looks chic. I think it's never over the top, and L'Oreal has come out with a new range called Extraordinaire, of which there are 12 or 13 colors. So I think in the pictures you can see two of my favorite shades, which also I've put on a lot of the girls who are part of my team. And I think it's very commendable what L'Oreal has done. Basically, they've done a digital contest where we've given some, I think, 6 girls an opportunity to see what it's like to get ready and to walk the red carpet for an event. So I worked together with the team from L'Oreal. We've designed looks for them. I think the girls look absolutely beautiful. They look very calm, not nervous, and very excited. So I'm looking forward to introducing you, my beautiful girls from Team Gloss.
Fantastic. But before we do that, can I ask you a politically incorrect question?
Of course, always.
Tell me, honestly, how hands-on were you with this? Like, it's Team Gloss, you're representing...
Well, unfortunately for the girls, I actually have selected their outfits. Now, maybe they would have rather had a professional stylist, but nonetheless, I was given the responsibility of selecting the outfits, which we did. So I've actually gone for a little more of a group... I wanted everyone to look good in a group photo for Team Gloss. So I've tried to work with what I think would look nice on the individual girls, as well as look nice as a team, because, you know, everything's all about teamwork. And Namrita, of course, has designed the makeup looks and tweaked, you know, the styles, the colors as per each girl's skin type, you know, what we think would suit them. So yes, I'm very much responsible for it. I will take the
I'll take your
praise,
word.
hopefully, for it.
So, all right, let me help you call the girls up and
Yes, please,
introduce
definitely.
them to the audience.
So, this is my beautiful girls from Team Gloss.
All right, let's have the first girl, Malvika Satlani, come on stage, ladies and gentlemen. Malvika Satlani. Why don't you just come, ladies and gentlemen, Malvika Satlani. Malvika lives in Mumbai and strongly believes in the motto, live and let live, Katrina. Music is her escape and she believes in loving yourself for exactly who you are. A go-getter by heart, she aims to be truly happy in life. We wish you all the best with that, Malvika. Thank you. Next, let me call upon Ankita Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, Ankita Singh. Okay, Ankita is a 27-year-old lawyer based in Mumbai. She is not only a voracious reader but also an artistic hand and considers traveling as one of her many traits. Wish you all the best, Ankita. Thank you. And you're looking gorgeous. Doing just fine. Ladies and gentlemen, let me call upon Anusha Iyer. Hello, Anusha.
Yes, they are looking beautiful.
Anusha Iyer is a health and wellness professional from Mumbai. She is multi-talented with her job as a nutritionist. Wow. As well as being a mother to a 5-year-old son. I don't know how they do that. Happily married, she has a passion for traveling, dancing and cooking. Thank you, Anusha. And moving on to our fourth, Neha Sheikh. Come on, give a round of applause to Neha. I love that dress. Nice pick. Neha is a 21-year-old professional air hostess based in Mumbai. With passion for dancing and grooming, she believes in living her life with confidence and a positive attitude. Wish you all the best, Neha. Afreen